Welcome everybody, this is M. Solomon from TTA Technical and Time Analysis. Today we are going to continue speaking about gannalyst professional 5, and I need to mention some important thing. When you finish drawing your chart, you save it, click save like from here. For example, I'll open this one. If you finish drawing it and detect the important price step and important resistance and trend lines and so on, instead of repeating it every time and starting from zero every time, you can just save this one and choose the place which you are going to save it in, and just click save, and he will ask you if it the first time it will be saved directly. If you already saved it before, he will ask you about if you are going to replace the current exist portfolio, and you can say yes. Okay, second thing I need to mention, last time, and I am highly advised you to rewatch the first video. Last time we speak about how to convert the data and how to download the data. So, but if you are saving it as a portfolio and you downloaded new data, it will not be updated. So, to avoid this problem, I'm going to show you something. You will download the data, and instead of saving it in the same folder which you are working on it, you will create a new folder and save the data in this folder, and then click OK. Don't forget we download the data as from here. You must choose the PRN and browse here, change this one file type and make it PRN. The file will appear, and then the source, the out source or direction which you are folder which you are going to save the data on it should be another folder. Okay, and then click OK. He will ask you here again to write any simple and you should write this one. I think you can write anything, any other name, but make sure it's you will use the same name every time you are going to download and convert the data. So I'm going to write XAUUSD and then close. He already converted this. We will open the place which we saved the data in it, and then I need these three files and click copy. Next step, you will go to the folder which you are working on it and click paste. You just click on all of them, but don't delete this one. Don't delete the portfolio which you already saved the data in it. Don't do that. If you do that, you will have to repeat everything from scratch. Okay, so don't delete gold portfolio. This one, other file, delete, yes, and then Control V or paste. You will open gannalyst and choose the place you save the data, and he opened the data and it's updated. For example, you see here this one today is 26, and as you can see he write it 26th of August. So this one is updated. But of course, the last candle is until the time you update the data. So you are not going to depend on this last candle in your analysis. You will depend on other previous candles. This is important thing I need to tell, and see you next time.